Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 29 and 30. Here you, the threefold division of understanding and fortitude made according to the qualities, as I declare them fully and severally, O Dhananjay.
Chapter 18, Shloka 29. बुद्धेर्भेदं धृतेश्चैव गुणतस्त्रिविधं शृणु प्रोच्यमानम् अशेषेण पृथक्त्वेन धनञ्जय.
That which knows the paths of work and renunciation, what ought to be done and what ought not to be done, fear and fearlessness, bondage and liberation, that understanding is sattvika, pure, O Parth.
Chapter 18, Shloka 30. Pravrittincha nivrittincha karya bhaya bandham moksham cha ya veti buddhisa partha sattviki.
Chapter 18, Shloka 29 and 30. Lord says that according to the predominating guna, understanding and fortitude also can fall under a threefold classification. The previous shlokas explained the knowledge, action and actor which constitute work under the threefold classification. When an actor, guided by his knowledge, acts in the world, work takes place. The two factors which supply the fuel and the motive force for understanding, buddhi, and fortitude, dhriti. Buddhi or understanding is the intellectual capacity in the individual to grasp what is happening around him, and fortitude or dhriti is the faculty of constantly keeping one idea in mind and consistently working it out to its logical end. Constancy of purpose and self-application without being tossed about is thus fortitude. Buddhi and dhriti are explained under the threefold classification. Shloka 30. What is sattvic understanding? The sattvic understanding is defined as one which makes known to us what type of work is to be done and what type of work is to be renounced, which judges the right from the wrong, which knows what is to be feared and what is to be faced fearlessly, which shows the causes of our sorrows and explains the remedies for the same. The intellect then can readily discriminate between beings and situations in its field of activity is the best. Without discrimination, right judgment is not possible. To know the right and to pursue it are both necessary. A sattvic buddhi always helps us to arrive at the right judgment. Bad temper, exaggerated vanity, attachment are the impediments, along with a false evaluation of the sense world, because of which we hug onto delusory objects and things and fear to understand philosophy and strive to experience the infinite. If we cultivate sattvic understanding, we can stay clear from false values and wrong emotions that rise in us and discover the ways to unfold from the personality layers due to vasanas and regain our freedom. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.